Hi everyone, I am Joel Camargo. Super excited to welcome you guys back into another one of our modules. This time we're in the first video for the billing and sales module. Okay, in this module we're taking a closer look at prices, sales orders, and those types of things. So in this first video, we're looking at how to calculate a price. We'll be setting the price of a product and then recalculating it. And then we're going to modify one of its components and its price in order to see how that affects the price of the product. All right, so let's head on into our system. Here we are, guys. We are trying to access the price setting. We're going to find that underneath queries and files. We're going to modify the file of a price setting of a product. Okay, so queries, files, price setting. Here it brings you to a page of the products, the product description, the type, the measurement unit, and even the inventory group. You can see at the top it says set prices, search, and other actions. What you do in this page is you're going to set the price of a product. So you click on the product that you want to select. We selected finished good here, and we click on set prices. It brings you to this page where you can see here a price list of those components making up the finished good. It has the code for those products or components. It has the quantity for each, and then the total value as we go on with this sequence, making up this finished good. All right, you can see on the right some of the functions that we have. We have insert, edit, delete, save, cancel, search, worksheet, recalculate, the one we're using on this video, cost, and direction. All right, the functions are on the right side just for you guys to pay attention to that. And we're clicked on the recalculation, which opens up pretty much a fancier version, more detailed version of this list at the top. This is calculating, this is the formulas to calculate the total value of the price of this finished good. So you can see it has total value, it has some of the expenses, it has markup, tax return, and all of that. And this is just all the formulas making up this number. You can see here at the top, we are now looking at this raw material, and it says it has 8 of these raw materials making up the finished good. You can see the total value is also 8, which would give us a cost for each material, each one unit of that material to be 1. Here we're changing tabs in order to go now modify that product to make a change and see how that alters the price list of this other finished good. You can see this is one of the functions from the very first module. We're going to be editing the raw material. So we click on that. And you can see the standard cost right here is 1, as I previously mentioned. We're going to make it 10. Confirm that, okay. And now we're going to go head back into the price setting list. You can see here, if you click on search, it brings you back to the list or the different products so that you can select which one you want to set the price for again. And so we're choosing the first one and recalculate. You can see here at the top, it says 8 of the raw material and the total value is now 80. This is due to the change that we made. Now we're going to be clicking out here. Here you can make any change to the formulas. If you click on one of these cells, as we're going to do right now, you can see a window pops up. Here you can input the formula. So if you want to add, let's say I want to add a markup of $10, I can literally click on that cell and make a change, writing 10 or 30 plus 10, and so on. You customize that. There are a couple other features that you can customize, such as the description, percentage cell, so on. All right, here we're going to make a change just to show it to you guys. And we modified that, all right, for the markup. But that is it, guys. Pretty straightforward. This is you guys calculate a price. Here you can make changes to these formulas and modify the total value. Also by going back and changing or customizing the price of these components. All right, but that is it, guys. This is the first video of our module. I am very excited for the next videos to come. So I'll see you guys there. Bye-bye, have a great day.